Hi everybody. Recently I was approached by few customers complaining that they have trouble in production. I asked them what's the trouble, and one of them tells me, I used to buy material, laser rods of course, I used to buy from one vendor, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, it is now 16 weeks. Why? Corona doesn't have enough employees, he prefers to ship in 16 weeks. The other one even exaggerated. He said he is now getting 26 weeks. All of them are coming for help. I helped them. I supplied rods in 4 weeks. So you want to know how do I do this magic? Let me tell you. Philosophy of Arsuf Lasers is we stock material. We grow the bulls. We stock them in our warehouse. It is giving us a lot of power because I can control the price. If I give a customer a price, I can control it. I can control delivery. I just take the bull out of the warehouse, I drill it, and in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I have the rods finished. Polished, coated, everything is ready to ship. This is something that we offer our customer, giving him stability in supply and giving him also stability in price. As you know, recently after the corona, prices are going very high, everything, raw materials are taking off, everything is becoming more expensive. I have no reason, if I have the stock in my warehouse, I don't raise the price to my customer. He can go like this for a year. I have material for a year for him. So he can go like this with no trouble of price rising, and of course, delivery is excellent. Another issue is taxes. American President Trump applied 30% tax on glass material coming from China to the United States. 30% is a lot. So it forced American customers to drop the Chinese vendors. And you know that most raw material in the world is made in China. Nothing we can do about it. So what happened is that I got American customers coming to me, I buy the material in China, I stock it in my warehouse, I just, whenever they need, I drill it, I finish it, and I'm sending it to United States. The taxes from Israel to United States are 0. So this is also an issue that we managed to solve with American customers. So if it sounds good to you and you like it, please join us. I will be very happy to give you a very good service. Thank you very much.